This is going to be a video tutorial on how to customize your home page on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. If you look off to the upper left hand corner up here, you see I have a little icon of a house up here. That is my home button. I have my home button set to google.com. If I click on the home button, it'll take me to google.com. I'm going to click on it. Takes me to google.com. You can customize your home button to any website that you want to. The way to do that, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Start, Home, and New tabs. Then on the center pane, about halfway down, you'll see it says Home button. The top thing is Show Home button on Toolbar. You want to have this toggled on right here. If you have it toggled off, you won't have a home button, so you want to toggle this on. Then you'll go down below that, and you want to toggle on the bottom one here. And then in this box right here, you'll place the URL of whatever web page that you want to link your home button to. That is how to set a custom home page in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.